Hi guys, my name is Mr. Mark, and today I'm going to give you a class on OBS. So let's get started. So OBS lets you record video to your computer or stream it someplace to the internet. We're going to look at recording video on our computer so we can save evidence of doing some kind of work and turning that into Google Classroom. So the first thing you have to do to stream to your computer is create a place for it to go. So looking at my Windows Explorer here, I put the my videos in my video folder under 2021-22, under 2022, and I made another folder called OBS, and that's where I'm keeping my video for this recording. Now I'm going to show you how to set up OBS to send it to that folder where you want to keep it. So looking at your screen here, this is the OBS basic screen, and on the left side window we have the scenes, and the scenes is where you create different scenes that go back and forth. Like for one scene here I have me here, and then for another scene I have my OBS in a different scene. So the next thing I have is the sources, what I'm going to use. This is where you put your cameras and your video and your microphone. You add all that stuff here. To the right of that is your audio mixer. It shows you the sound levels that your computer is producing, your microphone is producing when you play. Next to that is transition, and next to that are the controls that make OBS stream or record. So on this control panel here, click settings, and you'll notice on the left side we have some tabs, and then we have some settings that we can enable or disable. So the first thing we're going to look at is the output. So in the output we want to send it to that recording path to where I just said I wanted to put it. So I don't want it in morning announcements folder, so I have to go click on it and go find back to 2022 my OBS folder like this, and then I select the folder, and that's where it's going to go. I make sure all of these are disabled. This is the audio settings. These are my video settings, 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames a second. And how I'm going to save this, I need to change this to whatever it is I'm going to do. For example, if I'm making a poster, or if I'm making a video about my Scratch project, I'm going to call this Scratch, like that. And then I click apply and then click OK. Next I need to add my sources. So let's go ahead and add a microphone by audio input capture, and I'm going to type mic 1, and I'm going to make sure it's going to my default microphone. And the next thing I'm going to do is add a camera by clicking video capture device. I'm going to call this cam 1, like that, and then I'm going to select my camera, the USB camera, and there you go, you can see me talking right over there, and that works fine. So next I want to add my poster, my project that I did, and I'm going to talk about it a little bit. So next I'm going to add a Windows capture because I want to add that poster to my window. And so let's add the Windows capture by going to the plus sign here and adding a Windows capture down here, and I'm going to call this poster. And there it is right there. And I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to clean that up a little bit. I'm going to press the Alt button, and I'm going to grab this handle here and pull this over here. I'm going to press the Alt and pull this handle here. Pull this handle here, and pull this handle here. Then I'm going to put this right here to the side. I'm going to adjust my camera to where it has me in a certain area to where we can share the same screen. There we go. And then let's see, how's this? Let's put it right there. And now I'm going to do my recording. Did you know that you're not supposed to wear flip-flops or sandals at NIS? If you didn't know, now you know. Have a nice day. And then I stop the recording. And then you're pretty much done. You can take your output, your video that you created, and go and open up Adobe Premiere Rush and edit that video. Add some music, add some text, make it look nice and shiny, and before you know it, you'll be done. And speaking of done, I'm done too. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.